will show you Spring Boot operations. Now, to create this Spring Boot project, we have to use, what is the advantage of Spring Boot? Tell me.
It provides a framework with all the dependency installed.
Correct. So it will provide, it will give you predefined classes and interfaces in the form of jars, and also it will avoid all the XML files which are there in the Spring framework. So it is purely annotation based, and also inbuilt Tomcat server will be added, and also it will support so many other frameworks easily. So only 4 advantages we have. One is it will avoid all the XML files. There's the first point, and second point is inbuilt Tomcat server will be added. So yesterday what we have done, you have created a servlet application, and then you have deployed that application into Tomcat server, right? Manually you have deployed the application into Tomcat server, but in Spring Boot, inbuilt Tomcat server will be added. No need to add the Tomcat server explicitly. If you want, you can remove the server from here. Right click, remove, delete the server. So to work with Spring Boot, you don't need to add Tomcat server. Spring Boot will come along with the
Tomcat server.
So we no need to deploy in any servers. That is one advantage. And second one is it is purely annotation based. Purely annotation based. So there are no XML files. Completely annotation based. That is second. And third one is, so with the help of Spring Boot, you can easily integrate with other frameworks like Hibernate and JPA and all, and Spring Security and microservices. So we can easily integrate with other frameworks with the help of Spring Boot. So that's the reason Spring Boot is more popular nowadays. Instead of servlet, everyone is using which framework? Spring Boot. Okay, I will tell you how to create this Spring Boot project. Go to browser. Here you can type Spring Starter. Type Spring Starter. From this website, you need to get the project. Spring Starter, STA. Yeah, second one. Spring Starter that I will. Spring initialize. From here, you need to create the project. Can you please give this link in the chat box?
What's that?
Can you please provide this link in the chat box?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. So by using this link, so we are going to use Spring project. And which language you are using? Java. Project, right? Not a Gradle project. So select Maven, and then Spring Boot version. So this is the latest version. If you want, you can change the versions also. You can change to 3.3.8 also.
This one, sir.
Oh yeah.
Group. It's the name of project.
Yeah. Group ID is nothing but package. You can change the package. That is simple. That is example only. Spring Boot one something. Spring Boot example. Okay. And artifact ID is nothing but project name. That's why I have explained you the Maven project. That's why I have explained the Maven. Boot one. Okay. And also which version of Java we are going to be used? So 17. And also now we can add the dependencies over here. Dependencies nothing but jars.
Jars. Yes.
Yeah.
Should I click on this?
Click on it. So here I'm first dependency, web dependency. Type web in the search box. On top. On top,
Okay.
web. Type web. Spring Web. So by adding this dependency, what will happen? So it will support the RESTful web services. What do you mean by RESTful web services? It will have get, put, post, delete. So with the help of this, it will support the RESTful web services, and also inbuilt Tomcat server will be added. Can you see here? Apache
Yes,
Tomcat
sir.
default embedded server, and it will act as a MVC.
Yes,
So by
sir.
adding this dependency, it will support RESTful web services, and inbuilt Tomcat server will be added. So that's the reason I'm adding this dependency first. And go to second dependency. Click on second, add dependencies. Now here I'm going to use. I'm interacting MySQL, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, we are using. Do you have MySQL in your local? Yes, MySQL driver. This is one dependency. And second one, third one. So I'm going to use Hibernate framework. So to work with Hibernate, we have to use JPA, Spring Data JPA. Let's click on this. See, if by using this dependency, what will happen? If we work with JPA as well as Spring Data and Hibernate. So all the dependencies related to Hibernate and Spring will be added by using this. And to interact with the database, I'm using MySQL. So to work this application is RESTful, and also to add the inbuilt Tomcat server, I have used Spring Web dependency.
MySQL.
So everyone, please add these three dependencies: Web, MySQL, and
JP.
JP. Let me tell you again. So first I have selected language as Java, because this is our Java language, right?
Yes, sir.
And Maven project I'm going to create. And Spring Boot version 3.3.8. Okay. So the snapshots. So because we give some problems if you see advanced one. And group ID is nothing but package name.
Package
Artifact is nothing but
project.
name.
That's it. Okay. And then I added a required dependencies. One is web dependency. By adding web dependency, so it will give all the dependencies which are for Tomcat server and RESTful web services. And I'm going to interact with MySQL. So there's a reason I have added MySQL driver dependency. Already I have shown you, right? While explaining JDBC, we have used MySQL driver. You remember?
Yes, sir.
And then Spring Data JPA. So to work with Spring Data and Hibernate, we need to add Spring Data JPA dependency. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
All right. Now click on generate.
Sir.
Yeah, go to the downloads folder. See? Yeah, copy it and you can paste in your local details. Like you can create one folder, Spring Boot project, something.
Create.
Better if you create the folder in future directly, you will come to this Spring Boot projects. Copy inside this folder. Now extract it. It is in the form of GIF, right? Extract it and import the project into Eclipse. Simple extract it and import the project into Eclipse.
Eclipse or Visual Studio?
Eclipse, I will show you next Visual Studio. Because we are habituated with Eclipse only, right? First, try to understand Spring Boot.
What, sir?
Yeah, in Visual Studio also same. Just you need to add the project. Import, it will import. You are not creating the project. Already you have created the project from the browser and
Yes,
extract
sir.
it. Maven. Which type of project it is? Maven, right?
Yes, sir.
Such a existing Maven project. Now go to browse. It's the project. First, try to understand Spring Boot, guys. So if I use Visual Studio now right away, so we'll get confused. So our focus should be on Spring Boot project. Yeah, select folder. Finish.
Mm.
1 second. It is importing. Can you see in the downside? It's a 9% only. Your network should be slow. Are you using
Network
data?
is
Your network is very slow. Now, can you explain the project? Any doubts up to this? Guys, please ask everyone to judge. Your mini project is going to be on Spring Boot only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please ask everyone to join this session. Even in real time, we are going to work on. So if you are entering Java, means you are going to work on Spring Boot projects only.
Okay, sir.
So this is our Spring Boot project. So all the Java classes should write inside. One second. Don't explain anything. Minimize this SRC. So all the Java classes should go under SRC main Java on top. Can you explain that? SRC main Java. So this is the base package. So this is the
This package.
base package. So all the Java classes should go inside SRC main Java.
Yes, sir.
And all the resources, nothing but configuration related stuff, should go inside SRC main
This was
resources in the application properties. Can you open application properties? Configuration related stuff should go inside application properties under SRC main Java. And all the test classes should go inside.
SRC test.
Correct. So what are the dependencies we have? Those dependencies should go inside Maven dependencies folder. Can you explain that? Say how many dependencies?
Yes. Pre-install.
All the Spring related jars and Tomcat related jars, Jane related jars, everything has been added. MySQL related jars, everything has been added. Okay, minimize this. And can you go to POM.xml and see? So what the dependencies we have added from the browser? Those dependencies should go inside POM.xml. Can you please open POM.xml? POM.xml, I told you. Come down. We have JPA we have added, right? JPA dependency we have added.
Yes, sir.
Number 35, line number 35. JPA dependency, which
Yes,
you added
sir,
from the browser. We have also added web dependency. You can see web dependency
Yes,
we added.
sir.
And also you have added MySQL dependency.
Mm.
Also Spring Boot will support genuine test cases by default. So you can see Spring Boot started test. Means by default it will support genuine. But this is also one advantage. Any doubts up to this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So all the Java classes should go SRC in Java. All the
Yes,
configuration related stuff should go under application
This
properties.
Java.
All the dependencies should go inside POM.xml. Can go up. There is no error now. Why? What is it? Have done any changes? No, right?
No, sir.
Okay, no issues. It's a warning. It's warnings only. So you have done some changes. Come down. Okay. This is the track structure of Spring Boot. Now, in case of servers, what you need to do to run the application, you need to deploy application into Tomcat server, then you need to start the application, right? So here
Yes.
it's not required. Simply you can go to Spring Boot application.java. It is predefined class. This
Yes,
class will be generated while creating the project. Can you go inside this class? Double click on Spring Boot one application.java.
Spring. Double click.
How to open the classes? Tell me.
Set it to
Opening 1 second.
it's already.
Just can see. So this is predefined class. So this class will be responsible to run your project. So you are not going to deploy into any server, and you are not using any Tomcat server. So you need to run the application. How to run the main method for Java?
Writing in.
Yeah, same way you need to run. Same way you need to run it. Right click.
Right click.
How to run the Java application?
Acha, yes, sir.
Run as Java application. The main method means you can run with the help of Java application. Go to console. Yeah, it's going. Can you explain the console? Just double click on console. It will expand it. Get the result. Why? I will tell you why. Why? Because so you have added JPA related stuff, but you have not added the configuration, right? For time
Yes.
being, what you can do, go to console. You can comment JPA and MySQL dependencies. You can comment those two dependencies. Later we will uncomment it.
Yeah.
Go to window, perspective, reset perspective,
Perspective.
reset perspective. Yeah, you can reset perspective.
Okay.
And now go to com.xml. You can comment those two dependencies because it is looking for related code. Comment MySQL and JPA dependency.
MySQL and JPA.
Comment those two dependencies. Later we will uncomment it.
What was the shortcut? Control plus.
Under shift slash.
Control shift slash.
The same MySQL also. Save it.
Run.
Now run the application. First save it. You have to save it.
Okay.
From where I told you, right? Which class will be responsible to run the application? Guys, others tell me. This is
Main
com.xml.
method.
Main
Main
method.
class.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, from here you need to run the application.
Sorry, sir.
Can you explain the console? Now you will not get any error.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Application started. Can you say application started? Tomcat server started and port number?
Tomcat. Yes, sir.
880. Can you, from last to second line?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tomcat server started on port number 8080. So even though if you're not deploying anyway, automatically Tomcat server will be started. And double click on console. So this class will be responsible to run your Spring Boot project.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. So
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, what we have done in form.xml, which dependencies we have dealt with?
Commented. There are two dependencies. One is MySQL
JPA and MySQL.
MySQL. Why? Because these two dependencies are expecting GPA related code and MySQL related code,
Yes.
but we have not started, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can stop the application. Now we'll start the coding part. Stop the application. Here, can you see the below? The below, can you see the red icon?
Red icon. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have, this is the way you need to create the project and import the Spring Boot project and start the application.
Yes.
And what are the dependencies we need to add? JPA dependency,
JPA,
and
web,
dependency,
and
and
MySQL.
MySQL dependency. So these three dependencies you need to add. Now, and also this is predefined class. Automatically will be generated while creating the project. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to start the project. And also before going to start the project,
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, I have also
Yes, tell me.
commented these on running. It's not saving. Not matlab started.
It will start definitely if you follow the steps correctly. Can you please share one screen? Iman should start, please.
Okay, sir.